Hi, my name is Tariqul Islam and I am from Group B-3. In this week, I did an exploratory data analysis in our dataset, and I also prepared a report about the dataset description. This dataset is titled as Illegal Money Transaction Telecom Fraud Dataset, and it is very highly imbalanced dataset. There are total 6 million instances and 11 attributes, and there is only 8,223 instances are labeled as fraud out of total 6 million instances. So you can see this is very highly imbalanced data set, and it is a very challenging work for us to classify the fraud among these 6 million instances. In this way, I also rewrite the background work and introduction chapter of our report, and I also write the ethical impact and health and safety impact of our design impact chapter. Thank you everyone.
Hi, I am Abel Sarsoji. I am from Group B3. This week I was extremely sick. Due to my illness, I could not contribute anything to my group. Next day, inshallah, I will contribute my teamwork. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dipto from Group B3. Earlier of this week, we had a team meeting with our supervisor. He gave us 2 papers on intrusion detection. This week, I have studied both of them. The first paper that I have studied is titled as Imbalanced Big Data Classification, a Distributed Implementation of SMOTE. Here basically they applied SMOTE for classifying large imbalanced datasets of distributed computing system like Apache Spark. And the second paper that I have studied is titled as Intrusion Detection on Highly Imbalanced Big Data using Tree-Based Real-Time Intrusion Detection System, Effects and Solution. In this research, they used an ensemble of decision trees for classifying intrusion in critical dataset. Also, this week, I have done the LaTeX of our report. Here I wrote project strategy and problem statement and proposed project. And that's it from me today, and thank you very much.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ashrafullah from Group B3. In this week, I study on 2 research papers. One is Imbalanced Big Data Classification, a Distributed Implementation of SMOTE, where they address the problem of imbalance classification. A number of solutions have been proposed, which mainly fall into 3 categories. One, the first is the family of proposing techniques aiming the relevance, the training data. The second is algorithmic approach, and the third category is comprise of cost sensitive learning approach. In this paper, they use locality sensitive hashing and to identify and group the similar samples together. They further use the KNN algorithm to generate the synthetic data between the sample and neighbors. Another paper is intrusion detection on highly imbalanced big data using tree-based real-time intrusion detection system, effects and solutions. This paper basically deal with analyzing the tree-based real-time intrusion detection technique for intrusion detection from highly imbalanced big data. They used smooth for oversampling, while random undersampling technique was used for undersampling the result. In this week, I also write down the social impact, economic impact, and environmental impact, and the summary of impact and constraints chapter. And I will also help my teammate to ready the report work in LaTeX. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I am Ishtaq Hussain from group B3. As you all know, we have changed our topic and we are now working on in a highly imbalanced data set, which actually we detect fraud. Actually, basically we called it as intrusion detection system. And this week I read a paper which was named as highly imbalanced data set classification. They actually proposed a algorithm. They also implement the smooth calculation, and also they proposed a Apache Spark. In this week I also described the data set, and we have 6 million instances. If I can say like 63,60,620, and there are 11 attribute, and most important thing, one attribute has only 16 value, which is 16 value is positive and other rest of the value is negative. That presents this is very highly imbalanced data set. Another thing is our main class value have 8,213 data, and in this week I also read the group report, and I have contributed in design and impact side. I read manufacturability constraint, sustainability constraint, and political constraint. Thank you all, everyone.